Hello guys, how you doing? I came across a problem the last time. I kind of like already reached the 50 subscribers, but once I reached the 50 subscribers, then I didn't really understand how to go live. I'm just going to explain you everything. After that, I did all the verification that you're supposed to do, you know. Then from there, I was kind of like able to go live. Then suddenly, it's just like I couldn't go live anymore. So I noticed that this issue is happening to many people. But what is happening is that you need to pay attention to what is going on. When you do all your verification that you're supposed to do to go to fix when you have this problem, you'll notice. That's why you have to check your email. You will receive an email. You receive an email saying something like, we delete your ID, we delete your video verification or something like that. Okay, so this is what happened to me. So I was trying to check some videos, trying to explain me something like this, but I didn't find, like, some people kind of explain it, but not really like this problem, because some people can go live, but then they're not able to go live suddenly. Maybe they reach like 70 subscribers, 60 subscribers, 80 subscribers, something like that, and then suddenly they cannot go live anymore. So what is going on is exactly this. So what you have to do, you will notice that maybe you need to check your email. You need to check your email. Check your email. You will notice that you receive probably an email saying, oh, we delete your ID, we delete your video verification. If you notice, if you read carefully, if you go to your YouTube, sorry, not YouTube Studio. If you go to your Google account of the one that you're using for your channel, and then you go to personal info, you'll notice that your video verification is gone. Your ID that you did where you did your verify your channel is gone. So what you have to do, okay? First thing you have to do is, well, if that one is gone, do it again. So what you have to do, you just do again the video verification, because you will notice that you can do that one. Do the video verification, do all the verification that you have to do for your channel, everything, channel history and everything like that. Your ID, so your ID, you show your ID as well, put your ID as well. Then is going to be your live stream, okay? It's going to be available after 24 hours. But don't think that, okay, you did it maybe the day before and then you expect it to go already the next day. It's going to be, you have to wait till the next day. So not tomorrow, but the day after, okay? In the day after, you will see that it will start to work. But you need to do one more thing before doing that. So do the verification that you have to do all that verification. After you do all that verification, write just in case, okay? Just in case that happened. So that's what I did. You go to your YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube Studio. Then after you go to report a problem. You report a problem and you say, okay, I have this problem and blah, blah, blah. And then you show the picture. You snap a picture of what is going on, that almost there, whatever that you saw there. And then you write a problem and then you send it to them, okay? So you did everything, okay? You did all the verification, you did all of that, and then you did everything, okay? Then the only thing you have to do is just wait.